Hi and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial today, I'll be showing you how to choose your date format in Docusign. So the first thing we want to do is head over to our Google Chrome browser and then try to log in. Alright, for we who already have an account, we'll simply just have to log in to Docusign and navigate straight to the dashboard to begin the tutorial. But for you who hasn't signed up yet, so do well to click on the first link here. It will take you to the sign up page and then fill in the necessary information that needs to be filled and you would find yourself signed up. All right, so you have to either click here and input your email address or go up here where there is Stripe free at the top corner over here, as you can see on your screen. Click on that and then you get started and logged into Docusign. So because I already have an account, I'll simply log into my account and this is my Docusign dashboard. Alright, Docusign allows you to control how dates appear on your document, whether you want it to appear as month, day, or year, date, month, year, whatever variations you want it to appear as. Docusign allows you to edit and impute that. Or even if you want to customize your format to your preferred preference, or if you're working with a particular client and you want to set it up according to their country or region base, you can edit and choose the particular date format you want to work with. All right, so the first thing you want to do is head over to this icon up here. All right, your account icon, as you can see at the top right corner. Click on that and then navigate to manage profile. Click on that and it will take you to the next page where we can comfortably edit or choose the particular date format we want to work with. As you can see, this particular field is open to us, which is your profile. You would go to the left corner as over here. All right, you see my profile, privacy and security, and all of these other options that are stated here. The dates format option is mostly found in the language and region button. So we're going to click on that and we see where that takes us. All right, if you head over to the bottom part of it, you will see your date and time format already stated here. All right, so to edit that, you would want to sometimes change the region of the particular country you're working with, their time zone, as it will influence the way the date and time formats will appear. So what you want to do is head over to the regional settings and click on update or open as it is in your PC. So this is what the regional settings looks like. So you can go ahead to change the particular region that you're working with and then change the time zone and then head over here to format particular settings the way you want it. So you can click on this drop down button over here and you see that there's a variety of options. Duly note that whichever option you pick in this particular drop down menu to change your date format influences your entire document. So pick the one that best suits the particular work you're doing or that is best suitable for your client or the work you're working on. All right, and then you can fill up these other fields, and when you're done, just click on the save button and there you go. You've been able to set your preferred date format. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was illustrative enough and insightful. Until the next one, bye for now.